Hey, what's up my fellow creatives? I got this really cool Tenker portable projector that I've got hooked up to my laptop here. Easy to plug in, took seconds. I wanna show you guys it, break it down, show you what it's all about. We're about to do the unboxing on it. You guys are gonna love this thing. I can't wait to show it to you. Super cool device and I highly recommend you guys check out. I already cut the little tape that was on it off so I could open this right up. Go, unbox this. I'm unboxing this for the first time, so I've never actually used this. User manual. Q5 mini LCD video projector, pretty much notice, accessory list, safety notice, remote control, the user manual is page 6. So I'm gonna go ahead and show you guys what this looks like. There we go, all right. Wow, so this is the keystone. There's your manual focus. Here's the lens. This is all your other little control buttons. And then you can see here's your inputs. So we would need an HDMI. I can hook this up to my laptop, connect this right in. And then there's the USB right next to it. So I can probably plug in like a USB drive and display whatever on there. And then I have VGA, which is super old school. I don't know if anybody uses anymore. And then this TF, I don't know if that's just a little card or what that is exactly, but really nice little device. And then you got the power source over here. So let's go ahead and hook this thing up. I'm gonna put it on this table and we're gonna actually show you what it would look like to play a movie or some sort of show. So there's the remote. I'm guessing this isn't gonna be able to be like a portable projector because you have to have it directly hardwired into a device. But it's still a good device to have. I only have one HDMI. There we go. All right. Power. Little lens cap on the front, I think I saw. Yep, there it is. Oh, there's keystone. So keystone is the direction straightforward. Source.
Thailand is closer to Japan than it is to the west coast of the United States. Okay. It is on the verge of complete economic collapse.
This is just a great example of being able to put up a logo for the client to present them. This has a much more significant effect, more profound effect for the client. They can really see it in a large scale and what it would look like actually on a wall. You would want to use these is if you're going to be doing a logo presentation with your client, a website presentation with your client, or maybe you want to project something on the wall because you're going to paint something on the wall, you're going to illustrate something on the wall, you want to show them what something would actually look like, and this is a really good way to do it. So if you want to get a device like this, I've made it super easy. There's a link down in the description. I'm always looking for new tech, new gadgets, new stuff, so if you have any ideas, drop a comment down below. Thank you guys so much for watching. I'm Adrian Boycell. I'll see you on the next video, so make sure you subscribe, and as always, keep looking up.